Okay, gents, welcome to a video tutorial on bird characteristics and adaptations. This will serve as an introduction to the four core characteristics that all birds share. And the brain pop here will highlight that, and I will follow up after the video and remind us of a couple of the key points I'd like you to take away from this. It will also introduce us to a variety of different adaptations that birds have. We'll be speaking in class as to the difference between a characteristic and an adaptation, but I want you to be thinking about the definitions of those words, the definition of characteristic and the definition of adaptation, and how those might be different. And we'll follow up in class with those two words and come up with a class definition of characteristic and a class definition of adaptation as it relates to our study of birds. Here's the brain pop.
There are close to 10,000 different species of birds. All birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals. They have 2 legs, wings, feathers, and a beak or bill. They also lay hard-shelled eggs. Birds are endothermic, which means that their body temperature stays the same no matter what the temperature is outside. Many birds have bodies that are built for flying. Their bones are hollow, and their vertebrae are fused together for strength. Flying requires a good supply of oxygen, so it makes sense that birds have extremely efficient respiratory systems. A system of air sacs helps to ensure that the lungs receive a constant supply of fresh air.
Okay, so to review a couple of the important things to take away from this. The common characteristics that all birds share. They are vertebrate animals, meaning they have a backbone. They lay eggs. They have feathers, and they are endothermic, meaning they are warm-blooded. Other things that were discussed: 2 legs, beak, hollow bones, air sacs. Those could fall under the category of adaptations. And we will talk about why those are adaptations in class. But please keep in mind, I'd like you to be thinking about the definition of a characteristic versus an adaptation. We'll come up with a class definition for each of those. And as well, we'll be following up on some of the details mentioned in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.